Hello and welcome to TadiBrothers. I'm Tamir, and in this video, I'll walk you through our third generation 360-degree 3D surround view system in 1080p. You'll see how the system looks while driving, how the 3D effect works in real time, and how the automatic triggers, including integration with the vehicle's blinker lights, deliver the perfect view exactly when you need it. We'll wrap up with a real-world video sent by our customers and showcase some of the new and exciting 3D vehicle models we've recently added to our library. And just a quick note, while the core technology and calibration are the same across all vehicles, camera types, display options, and cabling can vary by bundle, which may affect the pricing. Alright, so what you're looking at right now is a demo of our 360-degree 3D surround view system in 1080p. You're seeing my actual monitor on the screen, with a video of the road playing underneath. This is just to give you a feel of how the system looks while you're driving. Smooth, clean, and very easy to follow. And right up front, it's important to say this is just a demonstration. Even though you're about to see one specific vehicle, when you order the system, you get the exact 3D vehicle image you asked for, not whatever happened to be on the demo. Now watch this. You're going to overlay a vehicle image on the screen. In this case, an RV, a van. This RV is part of our large and growing 3D vehicle library. And again, this is all in 1080p. We support everything from RVs and school buses to construction equipment, commercial vehicles, and specialty platforms. And we recently added even more, including dune buggies, both 2-seater and 4-seater, and even a helicopter. Both come in many different colors. Again, what you're seeing here is just a sample. Now here's where it gets fun. As the road starts to curve, you'll notice the 3D vehicle begin to move left and right, matching the direction of the travel. This isn't just an animation. This is a 3D effect in action. You're seeing the vehicle from a true surround view perspective, updating in real time as if you're winding through turns and roads. This is also a perfect moment to talk about the triggers. The system uses smart triggers to automatically give you the best possible view at exactly the right time. Turn the wheels, slow down, signal, or shift the gears, and the view changes instantly. No lag, no buttons, no menus, no thinking. I'm a fan of no thinking. The system just knows what you need and puts it on the screen. That's what makes this so easy for drivers. You're not managing technology, you're just driving, and the system handles visibility in the background. The 3D stitching is instant. The vehicle movement you see on the screen matches what's happening on the road in real time, without delay, without jumpiness, and without the video game lag feel. It's smooth, solid, and confident building. Now let's talk about visibility, especially at night. The night vision on the system is terrific. Even in low light condition, the image stays sharp and clear, making it easy to see obstacles, edges, and nearby objects. Not to mention you can use this for security at night. Whether it's a dark road, tight spaces, or poor lighting, the system doesn't fall apart. It stays usable and reliable. Another big win here is how easy the system is to set up and use. Installation and calibration are straightforward, and once installed, the system runs automatically. Drivers don't need training manuals or tech support. They just get in and drive. Now, towards the end of this video, we're going to switch things up. You'll see a real-world recording sent to us directly from customers. These are actual vehicles, actual installations, and real driving conditions. No demos, no simulations. After that, we'll show you additional 3D vehicle images in our library so you can see how different platforms look on the screen. And just to say it one more time, even if the demo or customer footage shows different vehicles, when you order the system, you'll receive the 3D vehicle image you requested. The software adapts to your vehicle, not the other way around. So what you're watching now is just a preview. By the end of this video, you'll have seen the demo, real-world footage, and multiple 3D vehicle examples, all showing how this system makes drivers safer, easier, and honestly, a lot more fun. Alright, now to the fun part of showing you the different types of 3D models that we have. The first two are going to be the dune buggies. We have a 2-seater and a 4-seater variant. This one is a close replica of the Polaris style system. It comes with actually a heavy duty monitor and a different style camera to take a lot of abuse for those that are going to take it off-roading. Next up is a variation of our long van. It also has a short van to it. This one happens to be a Mercedes, but we have a whole slew of different vans that will work specifically for your type of vehicle. You can have the cameras installed under the mirror or on the walls. It depends on the style that you choose. Next up is a city bus. Again, we can customize the colors to your specific fleet, or we can convert it to some other type of vehicle that you need there. Next, after that, we're going to do the construction equipment vehicles. Here we have a sort of a mining truck, dump truck vehicle variant, and of course comes with a very heavy duty camera, and it has the waterproof monitor as well that can take a lot of abuse. Delivery van, and the delivery van is a Zoom Deliveries. Obviously, we could put whatever logo we need on there, but for those that need a 3D view for their delivery van, this is the system for you. And last but not least, my favorite one, this one was an oddball when the customer requested it. We have a helicopter available in many different colors and different styles, but this one has 4 cameras that plug around the vehicle itself, and you will have a view of what's going on around you and beside the helicopter itself. Remember, it plugs into the HDMI, has a beautiful image, and extremely reliable and fast, lag-free stitching. There you have it, folks. I hope this was an educational look on the different aspects of our 360-degree system. The 3rd generation is a significant upgrade from the previous one. You have a much faster boot time and a much easier calibration process, which will make the installation a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Remember, if you need any extra help, we back you up with our American-based tech support. Don't forget to check out our over 2,500 verified, that is verified, 5-star reviews on Trustpilot. Please call us anytime at 866-966-5550. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe. Safe travels!